Welcome, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. We're excited to kick off our new video series focused on growing russet potatoes. Russet potatoes are one of the most popular and versatile potatoes around. Known for their fluffy texture and rich flavor, they're perfect for baking, mashing, frying, and so much more. Their popularity in the kitchen is unmatched, making them a staple in many households. In this video series, we'll showcase different methods to grow russet potatoes effectively. Whether you're a beginner gardener or an experienced green thumb, we've got tips and techniques to help you cultivate a bountiful harvest of delicious russet potatoes. Throughout this series, we'll cover a variety of topics. Let's dive into planting techniques. In this section, you'll learn how to plant russet potatoes in gardens, raised beds, and even containers. It's easier than you might think. Soil and care tips. Discover the best soil conditions and care practices for optimal growth. Pest and disease management. Get advice on protecting your potato plants from common pests and diseases. Harvesting and storage. Find out when and how to harvest your potatoes and the best ways to store them for long-lasting freshness. Join us on this potato growing journey and become a pro at cultivating russet potatoes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Happy gardening? And let's get started with russet potatoes.